Chasing the mountain, and I just can't contain this feeling happiness. There she goes, there she goes, there she goes. Oh, thank you. Oh, really?
Oh, thank you so much. That's a good one, yeah. Thank you.
I hear the train a-comin', it's rolled around the bend, and I ain't seen the sun shining since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. And when I hear that whistle blowing, I'm down to sing that you're told. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy and don't ever play with guns. Well, I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. Yeah, when I hear that train a-rolling, I lay my head and cry. Oh, baby. Well, I bet there's rich folks in there, some fancy dining car, probably drinking coffee, smoking big cigars. Well, I should have seen it coming. I know I can't be free. Well, then people keep moving, and that's what tortures me. Yeah, baby. If that railroad train was mine, then I moved it all a little farther down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And then I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues.